Making money online in 2022 by just watching YouTube video is easy and very much possible. In this video, I will show you how you can earn over $200+ per day, watching YouTube videos. On top of that, I will show you how to double the amount by using a method that is all easy. With this method, you can earn money online 2022 on autopilot. It's absolutely free, worldwide, you only need internet connection, a smartphone or a laptop. Now this website is accessible by everyone, and before I reveal the name, I will show you how to sign up. As you can see, it has over 900,000 members who are already making money online. You can even view websites to make money here. So to sign up for a free account, click on sign up. On this page, fill in the entire form, including your password. Remember to please subscribe to this channel and keep watching till the end for the bonus tip. So you will be given a video like this one to watch. By the way, you don't have to actually watch the video. First, set the video quality to a low one. Then for the bonus, on the playback speed, you can double the speed. Meaning you will watch 2 times videos and make more money. So head there right now. The website is YouTube, the link is on the description below. Remember to subscribe for more.